Yeah, well, my name is Coach Bull Brownstein, and I'm the swim instructor here at this goddamn fucking elementary school.
Stop having intercourse, please. Marcy, your father died a week ago. Get over it and get on the high dive.
Well, my sister, the hall monitor, she applied for this position, but they turned her down because she was too much of a bitch to the children.
Hey, no running, you cocksucker.
So they gave it to Mr. Happy Pants.
I will gut you from armpit to asshole.
Every time someone pisses me off, I write it here on the calendar in Sharpie. So when they fire me, the next person knows what they got coming. My mother boinked the bartender when she was pregnant with me. She made it out clean, but the bastard left me with 7 types of diseases, all starting with the letter H. Well, what the kids are doing now is this thing called waffle stomping, where they stick a turd on the shower drain and stomp it straight through. It drains straight to the pool. I've had to clean up 3 stomps this month. Well, it was my task this year to do the Halloween safety music video.
Before you trick or treaty, be sure you go pee-pee, cause urinary tract infections are a little creepy. Out past dark on Halloween, an Amber Alert is on my screen. Instead of looking at that porn, you can have some candy corn. Please don't steal that candy pail. No trick or treat in county jail. Trick or treat with an adult. If you get raped, it's all their fault.
I was rubbing on my cat's chest. I noticed the nipple was a little... It was wet. I asked my doctor, is it normal for the male cats to lactate? Turns out I was playing with its penis.
Nancy, I'd like my binder back, please. My sister fucked your crippled husband. I know you're not drowning.
Post an Amber Alert.
The children are assholes. They like to do all these pranks on me. Sometimes they like to strap me to one of the pool contraptions.
God damn it. Someone just failed my class.
Call for some bliss, cause I fist to the wrist. 8 years old and he thinks he knows poetry.
I can tell you were born in your mother's asshole.
Why is there a condom in the dummy's mouth?
How'd you kids get this much cum inside the baby? If there's one thing that this job has taught me, it's that life is unfair. You gotta learn how to beat the system and get what's yours. But these asshole children don't know that because it's my job to instill the illusion that you can't. But I know how to get what I want. I know how to beat the system.
Hey, no running, you asswipe.